Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. There are three questions based on a piece of information. Q started to move from points B towards point A exactly an hour after P started from A in the opposite direction. So we have 2 points A and another point is B. Okay. So P is starting first from A towards B. Okay. And Q is starting from B towards A, but 1 hour later than when P is starting. So Q is starting 1 hour late. Okay. Q's speed was twice that of P. Speed is given. So let's say P's speed is SP and Q's speed will then be 2SP. Q's speed is twice than that of P. When P had covered 1/6 of the distance between the points A and B, Q had also covered the same distance. So let's say the distance between A and B is AB. So by the time P has covered 1/6 of the distance, so we can say 1/6 of AB. Q has also covered 1/6 of AB. Okay. So then there are three questions. So first question is the point where Q and P and Q would meet is where? Okay. So let's see this. So this is distance covered by P. Okay. So when P is covering this distance at a speed of SP, let's say P is taking T hours to cover 1/6 of AB. So distance equals to speed into time. Okay. And in case of Q is also covering same distance 1/6 of the AB in the same time, but Q is starting 1 hour late. So here distance covered equals to speed, which is 2SP. The speed of Q is 2SP into time. So time would be T minus 1. Okay, because Q is starting 1 hour late. So now if you see, we can compare these two equations, right? So this SP into T will be equal to 2SP into T minus 1. So from here we can see SP will get cancelled. Let's write it. So SPT will be equal to 2SP T minus 1. This SP will get cancelled. So we have T equals to 2T minus 1, or from here we can get T equals to 2. So we have got T equals to 2. Now what is T? T is the time P took to cover 1/6 of AB. Okay. So now the first question, the point where P and Q would meet is closer to what? So see, if we consider this A, B. Okay. When P has covered 1/6, let's say this is 1/6. Q has also covered 1/6. No matter like when Q is starting, they have covered 1/6 of the distance at the same point of time. So let's ignore these two portions. Now P is here and Q is here. P is heading towards this, Q is heading towards this. So when P and Q would meet, because Q is running at double speed than P, obviously Q will cover more distance from here. So till this point, this is also 1/6, this is also 1/6. So we are ignoring this portion. Now both are at these points, and because Q is running at a greater speed than P, Q will obviously cross half of this distance and it will come somewhere here. So P and Q, they will meet closer to A. So answer for first question would be they will meet closer to A. Okay, because Q will already be coming towards A. Second question is, how many hours would P take to reach B? Okay. So see, to cover 1/6 of the distance, P is taking 2 hours. So to cover the complete distance, we can apply the unitary method. So this will be 2 into 6. Okay. So 1/6, to cover 1/6 is taking 2. So to cover 1, it will take 2 into 6. So it will take 12 hours for P to reach B. Now third question is, how many more hours would P compared to Q take to complete his journey? Okay, so see, P is taking 12 hours to complete this journey, and because Q is running at double speed than P, Q will take 6 hours. So P is taking 12 hours, Q is taking 6 hours. So how many more hours P is taking? 6 hours. Hence answers for this question would be 6. Here the starting difference of Q won't matter, or the starting offset time of Q won't matter, because ultimately to complete AB, Q will take 6 hours and P will take 12 hours. So P is taking 6 hours more than Q to complete this journey. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.